doctor who had prescribed some medication to help with ovulation. Long story short, I was assaulted during a burglary while my husband was out with his brother. It was right when I was ovulating. At the hospital I took EC even though I knew it would undo all the medication and meant we wouldn't be able to have a baby of our own, but I couldn't risk getting pregnant with my piss baby. Well, after a few months I've been feeling off, sick, down. I figured I was just depressed after the assault and I hadn't been eating. But I soon found out I was pregnant. We were so excited until I went to my appointment and found out I was 15 weeks instead of the 5-6 weeks like I would have been had the baby been my husband's. I had been having really irregular spotting/bleeding since the EC, so I didn't even imagine I was that far along. My husband and I were devastated because that meant there was so much uncertainty surrounding paternity. We had our ultrasound and as soon as we saw the baby on the screen I knew I couldn't have an abortion and my husband didn't want to either. We talked and went back and forth about adoption and if the baby didn't end up being his or what we would do. He said he didn't care about paternity. We just wouldn't find out, so we decided to wait until our child was older to tell them and they could decide if they wanted to find out for themselves. A few years ago my rapist was caught and a year ago finally sentenced. At the hearing I spoke and my daughter and son knew about it. They knew I was attacked but only knew it was before